And it was so hard for our judging team to be able to judge all these cars. Give a hand for Ronan and his beautiful Lamborghini. So you know, Lamborghinis are depicted by bulls.
We will be announcing the two winners.
Where'd you pay for it? Well, you can't. You know that.
Oh no! I don't like the one. Yeah, bitch, we're gonna go in.
In this collaboration with Floyd Ragg and Prestige Club of Southwest Broward. Build culture, come together. They don't just host events, they make history.
Congrats. Fantastic. Thank you so much for bringing this over. It's been a great day. Now, I decided it's important to see which car was most photographed. Do you know which car was most photographed? Because
Keep in mind that Floyd Ragg, the visionary producer, South Florida. We also want to thank Florida Henry, Lamborghini.
They give me some extra braces, you know. I have a master. They'll give me an
Breaking in with Floyd Ragg and Elo.
No over, man. Where'd you pay for it? Well, you can't. You know that. I got a good friend at the Ford dealer. He only sold one, and they sold it.
I'll see you later. Oh no. Yeah.
I don't like the one. Yeah, but we're gonna go in. You know, I can think better at home.
Yeah, okay, good.
Like, if I go out, I want to eat something that I
When
love.
you stand there, you're going to be pretty proud.
Congrats. Give a hand for Ronan and his beautiful Lamborghini. So you know, Lamborghinis are depicted by bulls. So when he said he likes a bull that he controls, he likes that crazy Lamborghini that he controls. And that's a really cool car. And it's one that he drives all the time, so that's a very special car. Now we're gonna go into the classics. Now this is the hardest part of it all, because there are some amazing classic cars in here. And it was so hard for our judging team to be able to judge all these cars. So we had to come up with everybody brought a classic car here as a winner. That's for sure. I'm gonna give you a bit of my hair as a trophy, because I want to say every classic car owner in here is a winner. That's a must. But more importantly, we have to get our common team to choose 3 cars. I'm going to start with the second best car in this competition. This is unfair because all the cars here are amazing. I'm going to go to this incredible hot rod here. You got to come over because this came in and it blew my mind. It reminded me of when I was a lot younger and I was free from all the AI stuff. This is anti-AI. Just in case you want to know, you cannot get this. AI doesn't understand. If you say AI built a hot rod, AI will build you something totally different. This is built by man, driven by man. It's a very all steel, beautiful.
But I mean,
No more crazy shots. Congrats. Fantastic. Thank you so much for bringing this over. It's been a great day. Now, I know we're all wanting to find out. We have a second award that was given to one of the most incredible cars here today. But it's impossible for me to just turn around and say this or that car won, because it's not really as easy as that. Looking at all the cars that are here, Floyd and I decided it's important to see which car was most photographed. Do you know which car was most photographed? Because we have to call that person over. There you go. So let's call Rafa for People's Choice Award. Where's Rafa? Where is he? Is he gone away? Is he here? All right, there you go. Let's call Rafa for the People's Choice Award. This is a 1956, correct? Or 55? 55. Okay, tell us all about it, because this is a gorgeous looking car. And he drove it from Key Biscayne like he stole it today. So I really appreciate that. So tell us all about it.
First of all, congratulations for the event. It's a great day, great guys here. To you.
Sorry.
So that's your favorite? There's a GT40 over there, which I know you're not that
Gentlemen, as we do the rollout of these beautiful, gorgeous classic cars, we will be announcing the two winners. Each winner wins $2,500. Companies. If you are not here, we will be texting you Memorial, Harold Yarborough. Harold Yarborough is the second winner, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations and thank you for supporting Prestige Club of Southwest Broward. Look at this gorgeous lineup of cars leading the show. Amazing. You look beautiful. Just beautiful. In this collaboration with Floyd Ragg and Prestige Club of Southwest Broward, it isn't random, it is alignment. When leaders who build culture come together, they don't just host events, they make history. This was a beautiful